Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to share with you how to crochet this Romanian crochet cord. You can use this cord in number of your crochet project. So before we start to make this cord, I would request you, if you are watching my channel first time, please subscribe to my channel so you get to know my more creation and ideas with crochet. So let's see how we are going to make this Romanian cord. You need to make a slip knot on your crochet hook. Now make chain 2. Now work in your first chain. So here you can see we have a V shape of the chain. So this is the left side loop and this is the right side of the loop. So first we are going to work on this right side of the loops. So first make one single crochet, so when you work this single crochet of your first chain, so this is our first chain where we made our single crochet, and of your second chain which we skipped, so you can see this loop to the right side here. So we are going to work on that loop. So turn your work, take your hook into that loop, and here make one single crochet. Now again you can see this two loops we got to the right side here. So we are going to work on this two loops. Now turn your work, so take your hook into that two loops and make one single crochet. Again you will see these two loops to the right side. Turn your work on that two loops. Make one single crochet. Now again here you can see this two loops to the right side. Turn your work, take your hook in that loop, make one single crochet. Turn your work again in this two loops to the right side. Again work on this two loops. Turn your work, take your hook in that two loop, make one single crochet. Turn your work, repeat this stitches. Turn your work. Now work in these two loops, insert your hook, grab and pull the thread, make one single crochet, then turn your work in next this two loop, grab and pull the thread, make one single crochet. So every time to the right side you will get these two loops. Turn your work on that two loops, make one single crochet. Like this you can make this cord as big as you want. I hope you have learned from this video. If you have any questions or query, please do let me know in comment section. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.